Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Sparky Built. Today we're getting started on this 1968 Mercury Cougar. We're going to start stripping this thing out. Small blocks coming out. This thing's going up on jack stands, cross member, everything's coming out. Let's see if we can get some Mustang suspension under this. Let's go. Where's the blue socket set? Up there by my toolbox. Thank you. Thank you for finding a picture of the toolbox for me, Siri.
Did it really?
Yeah. Try metric.
Oh, I tried. Said it is. Where's this ratchet?
Here's that one. Let's see. Somebody tell me, what does it mean?
Oh, no. Zoom back. There you go, right there. What's that mean?
So
Is that a good burn?
burn right on top of the strap is just, I mean, everything looks clean.
Yeah.
Wonder how our timing was. I could probably Google that.
I don't know, I think that's pretty good. Maybe a little lean.
We got all pretty even burn except for the back two cylinders. So far. What's that? Sell these parts to people who love these cougars. Because I'm about to put an aluminum radiator in there. It's real funny.
What's that?
Just looking at the burn. Feeling the burn. Both back cylinders look like that.
Oh, we got 3 people in. Hey, 3 people. Look at that plug. Here, you do it.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, just gotta focus. Back, forward. There you go.
That's both back cylinders were like that. All the others had a good, pretty clean burn on them, I think. But neither cylinder was firing in the back, so it's safe to assume that the last cam bearing is the one that's burnt out, or whatever's wrong with it. We are gonna need that probably. Oh shit. Water pump's brand new. Got forwarders and valve covers.
Well, they can hear it run. I got a video of it running.
Yeah, just let it idle.
Can we hear a longer clip? No, sorry. That's all I had. No, crank
We're
up.
doing it, Dad!
Yeah, there. We got that video too.
My body went numb like a minute ago. I can't feel a thing from my head to toe. I lost my mind, man, I'm out of control. I can't stop, no, thinking I'm about to blow like a dog.
All right, so after about 5 minutes, we got this motor and transmission pulled out. 5 minutes. Come check it out, guys. It's a mess in here. I did not know that that much brown substance could come out of manual 4-speed. That was a terrible idea. So now we've got to gut out everything. We've got to gut out this cross member. We've got to gut out the strut towers, the gearbox, the rest of the exhaust, clean up the frame rails. I think that the stabilizer, I know the stabilizer mounts have to get cut out. I think that these front supports have to get cut out too.
I think so.
Um,
Those there?
yeah. So these got to come out, which means we're gonna have to figure out something for the radiator supports probably. I don't know, we'll figure that out when we get there. This has to come out, I know that, because it gets replated over the top of this.
Okay.
This has to come out, this has to come out, those have to come out. And yeah, so I think that we'll probably put some more jack stands under the front of the frame rails.
Okay.
Just to make me feel better. And then we'll start blowing apart the front end maybe. Alright, so as you can tell, the last update was the cross member. Things have gotten a little serious. The car has now been blown apart. It's time for my favorite part. The wheel of death.
You will see the bullets fly, more cry, and there ain't gonna be a place to hide. I got something that's deep inside, like an instinct saying there gonna be a fight. I can feel the eye of a hurricane. It's coming now, but I know that it's about to change. I see the fight in the rise from a
Second. So, but that's what I wanted to talk about, is on these cheaper kits, there's not a lot of instructions as far as where, I mean, it's very similar to the Mustang, so you can go off of that. Very common measurement I saw was 24.25 from the front of the cross member, the front cross member. I did that, I measured that. The most important thing is when I built my cross member and I put one of the A-arms on, where the coil spring goes, it lines up with the center of the spindle. So basically, you want your notch, your coil spring notch, to be centered on the spindle. On the Cougar, it's pretty simple. Come in here and take a look. There was a separate cross member right here that the arm went out and the spindle's attached to on the lower side, and it actually bolted to these two spots right here, and that's on both sides of the frame. So center of that actually lines up with the 24.25 from the front of the cross member. So that's how I'm doing it, because that's a easy place to measure from. I don't have to worry about the front core support and all that. So I'm just centered up between those two holes.
Okay.
Line up I mark center on my plate, mark center on that, line it up, mark out the notch, cut it out, and then just kind of cut away until everything fits together nicely.
Okay.
So I got my helper here. He's doing all the hard work. I sent him under the car since he's so short. Right.
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 All right. Now we're getting back to work. Do you know me? 'Cause I know me.
I know.
I'm the dude disguised as a dude playing another dude. I think I fucked that up. Oh, I'm the dude just playing a dude disguised as another dude.
my ears ring, it's about to get loud. My heart beats, I'm about to black out. So watch out. There ain't no going back now. 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 Get ready to ball.
Still not quite sure what I'm doing.
Get ready to brawl! Round two. Hands up, protect your face. You get blows to the dome and the blood you'll taste. You got one shot, so no mistakes. Pick your spot, let it rock, let out all the rage. Just a new me, ain't afraid of anything. You can put me in the middle of any rain.
Got these holes drilled out to, it said 1.25 inch. I had to go just a hair bigger. My step bit goes 1.25 inch, 1 3/8, and 1 3/8 is really too big. So play on this side. But I got this other side pretty tight. So what I'm gonna do is, since that side's tight, on this side we're gonna take our magnetic squares, and we're just gonna make sure that this thing's sitting where we want it. That takes all the play out of it. We gotta get our 1/2 inch on the front, and then we're gonna tack this thing in place.
Get ready to brawl! no sunlight, so cold, sleep is nice. So tired, my eyes fight, they just wanna close back up tight. Get up, hoodie on, hard work at the crack of dawn. This life ain't for the weak ones, no, this life pure only for the strong. Feeling slow, shake it off, don't got time for negative thoughts. Red sight, got the dot, shoot my shot, I want the top. Never lost, got my clock, know my story, I know my boss. I will fight against.
I can hear it now. You're gonna be like, brother, you weld this on my car, and I'm gonna be like, no, go get that other guy that does that.
And they will carve my name in history. Wake up to the sound of the drums. Stand up, locked and loaded, here I come. I'm here to stay, here to fight another day. You can't stop me with some pain, I am here to make a change. Yeah, I'm a student of the game. I study every single frame. I don't just listen and I change, and grow a little every day. I got this hunger deep inside of me. I got this need that keeps on guiding me. I got this energy providing me. It's all I need to overcome all my anxiety.
Alright, so we finally got the Mustang II front end done on this thing. It's just mocked up with the A-arms and all that, and we slid it out of the shop. Of course, the day I slid it out of the shop, it decided to rain for 2 weeks, so everything's rusting up. We'll have to clean that up. We're getting ready to move on to the next phase of this project, dropping a motor and transmission in there, so make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button and keep up with us. We'll see you next time.